What are the best things you can try in your 30s if you're starting to notice more signs of aging? The first thing I would say is, in this decade, we sort of want to be preventative, but we're often also seeing early signs creeping in. Because we've been losing collagen from our mid-20s and elastin production switches off even younger. The first thing to do is really get your skincare right. If you haven't got a routine in place, now is the time to do it. Doesn't have to be complicated. A gentle cleanser, an antioxidant to help protect the skin in the morning, some sort of moisturizer, but this could be a nice hyaluronic acid based serum rather than an actual cream. It depends a little bit on your skin type. A sunscreen in the daytime, and then at night time I would go for a nice retinoid for most skin types. If you're more sensitive, or also if you're pregnant or thinking about becoming pregnant or breastfeeding, avoid the retinoid and maybe go for alternatives like some collagen stimulating peptides or bakuchiol. So we have lots of different things we can do with skincare there. I'd also say maybe think about adding in an eye cream and possibly also a neck cream. So even if you've had a great skincare routine through your 20s, now might be the time to start ramping up with some more specific products to help preserve those areas. What sort of treatments could you think about throwing into the mix? I always think microneedling is a great treatment to invest in around this decade, and it's really achievable for most people, also from a cost management perspective. You can have regular sessions, an initial course of treatment, and then maybe maintenance every few months, and that can help to address concerns like early fine lines and wrinkles and skin texture, slightly loosening pores, that sort of thing. You can also invest in things like skin boosters, things like Profilo or Juvederm's Volite, or potentially polynucleotides. Which one I choose will depend on the skin in front of me, but all of these can give nice hydration, improvements in sort of skin firmness and glow. The way I always describe it is that I get compliments that my skin's looking great when I've had my treatments like that, and also I notice my makeup just goes on like a dream. So that's quite a nice thing to throw into the mix. You can absolutely also look at investing in things like Softwave, which can be used in a preventative way, or radiofrequency microneedling if you maybe have more concerns. But these treatments can also be bigger investments, so it very much depends on you and your budget and your lifestyle. If we're thinking about injectables, this is also a decade where many people start to notice the early fine lines creeping in, and so possibly a sprinkling of muscle relaxant can help with these, but it's very much a personal choice. For me, the focus is on let's keep those collagen levels as high as we can for as long as we can. And on that note, possibly adding in a collagen supplement as well, with at least 8,000 milligrams of hydrolyzed collagen peptides, either a marine or a bovine source. That can also help when you throw that into the mix. If this content has been useful for you, please give it a thumbs up or send me a little message below, and please do subscribe if you'd like to see more content like this.